Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's go in, everybody. Let's light it up and go on in. Doot, doot, doot. This is like the biggest portal. That's a big portal there, guys. Bam, thank you. I think you are awesome. I think Bam is awesome. In fact, I think you all are awesome. So we have a piglin problem, and they keep coming through there. So I really need some more glowstones, and I need... Oh. No, no, no. Okay. I'm getting out of here. How am I going to get out of here? Don't ask me why I am. Okay. Okay. Whew. Elizabeth, thank you for my tickets, honey. And Mama Bear, thank you for hurting me. Elizabeth, thank you for hurting me. And welcome in, everybody. If you don't know this, Elizabeth's birthday is coming up. Elizabeth's birthday's coming up. So let's go ahead and say happy birthday now, just in case Elizabeth isn't on here when it's her actual birthday.